Hello, I want you to meet Medusa. I got her at a thrift store. She's got really pretty base. I gave 99 cents. It wouldn't focus, you'll have to take my word for it. But, adjust it up. I just want to use her as a mannequin instead of a jewelry holder. I don't really like the look of this. If it was white, maybe. I'll hang on to it just in case I use it on her later or something else. And so I'm going to take it off. It just screws off, thank goodness. But let's see how she looks. Oh yeah, she looks a lot better to me. It comes off. Well, she's not even tan under there, just white. Huh. I don't know what it's made out of. Oops. Hitting the camera. And then I'll get a little ball of some sort. I guess I'd make it white even though her... You know what? Since she's got leaves for feet, some kind of little flower might look good up there. I don't think I'd want to use a fabric one, but maybe. I don't know. Okay, I painted arms white, and I used the chalk paint, so the paint's not the smoothest in the world. And I only got paint on her clothes a couple times. I got the star off her necklace totally. And I'm thinking about removing this green that I like so much after all. And I'll cut it off in a way that I could glue it back on if I decide I made a mistake taking it off. What else was I gonna say? Oh, some of these, I got a pair of these earrings. And I'm thinking about dangling just a couple of these little crystals, 2 or 3, off her arms since I'm stuck with them. You know, and then I could always hang some, what do you hang on, earrings? I don't know about all this stuff. And I thought about trying to turn her, oh, that paint's still not completely dry. Trying to turn her clothes around where she could be showing some cleavage. But, you know, she had that white butt. And so, she's probably white right through here too. I don't know. So, I probably want to attempt that, and that would have probably been pretty hard to do anyway. But, this is what I got so far, and I'm trying to figure out what to do next, and it's really too close to bedtime, so I ain't gonna get to finish this either. And see, without the green, she just kind of looks like she needs a slip or something. I don't know. I'll be thinking on it. Okay, I decided not to even use the leaf stand that the mannequin's on. I'll save it for something else. But I'm going to use this brass candle holder. But I'm going to paint it pink. It's a ballet slipper from Waverly. And then I'm going to use this plaster. I don't think I've got any white. If I do, I'll use it instead. And then I'll show her to you. Okay, I've painted the candlestick holder pink. And some rough looking paint job in it. And I had a run, but we won't tell nobody. And so now I'm going to put some of the school glue and put the plaster colored paint over it and hope we get some good crackles. Okay. Now I'm going to paint the white paint over that glue. I let it sit a while. I usually don't even wait, but I just wanted to make sure I didn't get any runs in the glue. So here we go. And you don't want to rebrush over the same area a whole lot. It can mess up the crackle effect. Okay, last minute decision. Well, I just laid my arm in paint, but I'm taking a wet piece of t-shirt and rubbing it off of the high spots in places. Okay, I finally just bit the bullet and been rubbing this wet rag downward pretty hard. I think I like that better. So now I've wiped it off the high spots, and that's the only white I could find. It's puffy paint. So I mixed it with some of the crackle glaze and gonna try to do like a whitewash over it and maybe tone down some of that pink. We'll see. Plus it'll put a protective layer over that chalk paint. Hard part's gonna be remembering where I've done it and where I haven't. Okay, I started at the top and working my way down, doing the sides good, and that way I can make sure I got coverage on all the areas, because it's so thin I can't really see it. And yeah, I'll have to go back and check for runs for sure. Okay, here she is with her dress over her head. And I put some hot glue. And I also used this quick grip glue also. And so there's the stand. And if you hadn't seen the video of my candelabras, I'll put a link to that too. So let's turn around forward. It's still not completely dry. Feels a little rubbery, tacky, I guess. So let's pull all this down. And so there she is, all shabby chic looking. I hung, let's see if I can find it. I hung little pink crystals on her arms, and that was off of a earring I got on sale at Walmart. And I still gotta put a white ball or something at the top. But and another thing I did, kind of roughed up the sleeves, and I cut a little bit off the bottom where this one little crystal would show. And then I just took different kinds of material and made it into little strips and glued them directly to the bottom of her blouse. And then I covered up all of that with it's this stuff. It's off the shirt. It's kind of lacy. Yeah, she's pretty and all shabby looking. Okay, I'm gonna slip this in. I gave her a little trim here at the bottom. I left them uneven though. And I'll show you what she looks like in the back. See it in the mirror. And I kind of just tied a little knot in some of that fabric and glued it on there. And she probably got a little cool breeze on her booty because I got lazy. But it's still plenty back there. I've also added that little bit of lace around her neck. And what it is this burlap you get at Walmart. I cut it like right through there, and then I snipped in between each one of these where it would curve around her neck. So I think that's a cute addition. Also, I wanted to show you what she looks like with her Medusa hair back. I just don't like that look at all. But it tightens up, leaning like that. I think it should like that, I don't know. But I'm gonna save this. I might can use this for arms for another one, so yeah, but I don't like that at all. That's how she looks now. She was cute the other way, but you know, I like this look better. So thanks for watching, and remember to hit the like button. Bye.